Congratulations! It's not easy, but you did it. You finished writing your first screenplay. Next is what to do with your screenplay. First, make sure your script is production ready. Don't leave anything to chances. Don't think, well, the story is great, so they won't mind. Yes, they won't mind sending your script to Trashville. So, make sure your script looks and reads like the work of a professional. The people you are dealing with are professionals, and professionals don't like wasting time with amateurs. Once your script is polished and ready, you can, number 1, submit to a contest. You can enter your scripts into respected screenwriting contests. Respected is the key word here. For your script to move forward, the contest you win matters. It costs a lot to join some of these contests. Yes, $50 is a lot for some people. So, look for a free one and join it. Or, if you must pay, find cheap reputable ones. Or, join early so you can pay early bird fee, which is usually low. Before you spend all that money, make sure your script stands a chance. Not because your mom and sisters say so, but because it is true. Be honest with yourself. Spend that money only if you are sure of winning, or at least getting something worthwhile in return. Join good, reputable contests that match your story. If the competition calls for fantasy scripts and your script's genre is rom-com, don't waste your time. Find the one that calls for rom-com and join. Make sure to follow the guidelines when submitting, and also be mindful of the deadline. If the guideline calls for a 90-page screenplay and yours is 110 pages, don't bother. If they asked for 90 pages, give them 90 pages. And don't try to use font size to manipulate your page counts. It won't work. If the deadline is 30th June, 11:59 p.m., don't submit by 12 a.m. and pretend or think no one will know it's July 1st. You will be wasting your money. Wait for the next season. How do you know your scripts will stand a chance? From feedbacks you get from screenwriting communities. Yes, their comments can be harsh, but a lot of them give good advice and help you see things that are not working in your script. Use their advice to rewrite your script. When you are done rewriting, upload the screenplay for further review. Rinse and repeat until you get favorable reviews. There are some screenwriting contests where if your screenplay wins, it will be made into a movie. You will win a grant and use it to make the movie. It's free to join. If you are interested in such contests, you can use my link to join it, and you and I can earn some lime. 2. Submit to production companies. You can pitch or submit your scripts to film studios. Production companies have their preferences. Some are only interested in fantasy, while some prefer rom-coms, action, thrillers, etc. Don't pitch your rom-com to a production house that produces thrillers only. You'll be wasting your time. Find the ones that do rom-com and submit your story to them. 3. Make your own movie. You can write and produce your own films. Yes, lots of content creators are making a killing on YouTube. You have a great imagination. You can write your own screenplay. If you can afford the equipment, why not? Instead of waiting to be noticed by Hollywood big shots, make your own movie and put it out there. Who knows, this may end up getting you the attention of the right people. 4. Become a freelancer. You can become a freelancer on platforms like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, etc. There are many of them out there. Sell your gigs and make money. You make up to $1,000 from one gig on Fiverr, that is writing a feature film for a client on Fiverr. Don't forget to copyright your work before submitting or sending it out to anyone. Protect your intellectual property.